Well, good morning, everyone. Kind of a weird start today. I was going somewhere else, and this morning in the shower I called an audible, and I changed everything. Put the live well on, got the big rod. Winds I thought were favorable. They're really not. And I decided to come out back to Pine Island and go for another shark. In doing so, I changed everything this morning at 4:45. I did not bring my front camera. I have the camera, I don't have the pole. So, just ahead today. Oh well. It is steamy warm. It's got to be, I don't even know what percentage mugginess, but it's warm. So we're gonna stay out as long as we can here. There's like a 10% chance of rain. It's pretty overcast right now, but it's like 6, maybe 6:15. So we're gonna see how this goes. Hopefully this isn't a total disaster of a day, but we'll make something work. I can always find speckled trout here in the flats. I mean, it's just a vast area that speckled trout are usually in. So if all else fails, I can bring home dinner. So let's see what we can do here. Little trout in the morning. Let's just keep that on. Oh well. I wasn't gonna keep them anyway in the morning. So, right there, people. Nico bait. Ichiwa or something. Ichi something. I don't know. If you want exactly what it is, let me know. I'll send it to you. I'll send you a link to them, but it's Nico baits, and it's a 5.5 inch paddle tail. I mean, it is super stretchy. I mean, trout love them. Trout absolutely love them. Something a little noteworthy here. I probably have 9, 10 mile an hour with maybe 13 gusts. Up north where I'm from, up in the northeast, we would have like rollers and white caps, and I mean, that ain't bad. Something to think about. I'm guessing because it's just so flat here. The Gulf shelf is just so flat, there's nothing to build the waves. I am not a scientist, but that kind of does make sense to me. So there you go. Just one of those moments. Another trout. Come here, dude. Come here, dude. Yep, there you go. More trout. I got something here. Ah, excellent. I got shark bait. Nice. Nice. I did not expect shark bait. All right. Excellent. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. All right. Nice. Okay. Hard head. Trying to cut their gills here, and it's just not really working. All right, he's going in before I lose him. Look, I only got half my socks on when that happened. All right, there's one shark bait. I'm finding it a little more difficult than I ever thought to actually get bait. I've done okay. I caught a small mangrove which I had to let go, but I'm catching what I believe are pinfish, and because they're so small, they're pretty damn tricky. All right, so here's the setup. My Penn Battle 2 combo that I bought a couple years ago. It's a 65-pound fluoro with just a good sized circle hook. And I'm going to chuck it out there. And we will see what happens. Well, I've had bait in the water for maybe 20 minutes now. Nothing yet. Should happen. There's plenty of sharks down here. Just not around when I want them to be. Maybe I should eat my lunch. I usually catch a bite, right? Yeah, let's do that. Well, still waiting for a rod to bend. It's been at least an hour, hour and a half. I've actually switched positions. I've come out a little bit more toward this point. Next, I'm probably going to go around the point and try out there. I don't know. Not looking good today. Alright, so the whole sharking thing didn't pan out. So it's sharks 3, eland 0. I do still have the live guy out. I'm just going to keep him on as I coast in. And we're going to see if we can find some trout. That's something. That would be a trout. That would be my guess. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. All right. Ow. Ow. Holy crap. Oh, he's still on. I thought I lost him. Alright, we're gonna put him on the grippers. Yeah. Why screw around? You know. Oh, seriously? Oh, there we go. Alright, let's see what this guy is. He is too small. Well, he's 15, but I want 15 is the minimum, but I only get to keep 3, so we're gonna opt for a bigger one. Alright, we're gonna check this guy. I feel him, but there's so much grass in the water, I'm afraid he's like inundated by weeds. So we're gonna bring him in. Yeah, a little bit. Not too bad. Alright, buddy. Let's get you cleaned off. Let's get you cleaned off. You're a mess. Look at yourself. God. Take pride in yourself, pal. Alright. Let's toss you back out. Alright, buddy. Be free. Kind of. Something's got it. Don't know what. But something's got it. I gotta try to clear out all this stuff. Not very big, whatever it is. Nah, not very big at all. It's a trout. Man, I did not expect a trout. That is not what I had in mind when I was live lining. Not at all. Alrighty. Well, let's see how big this guy is. Dude, chill. You are 15. So you are gonna go free. I'm a free male. Alright, I got one more. What do we got this time? Anything? He's still there. I don't know what it was. Oh, yeah, the catfish. Big old cat. Oh, jeez. Ow. You're still howling on my fish. Alrighty then. It's your lucky day, dude. Well, that's gonna do it for today. Not the greatest day. Well, I mean, kind of is a great day. But anyway, not the greatest day of fishing. I'm probably not going to come back here until I hear that this grass is gone or is getting better. I mean, it's ridiculous. I'm probably going to find some new grounds. Yeah, I think it's time. I'm still working on Gulf. I do have a couple leads I gotta go check out of places I can launch. Yeah. So, I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, ring your notification bell, and please think about becoming a patron. And until next time, I'll see you out there.